All right, you guys, I'm gonna take you through another skill that we're working on today that is a little bit more complex. It's called the Turkish Get Up. We're only gonna do a portion of it. This is the quarter Turkish Get Up. So you're gonna use either a kettlebell. If you do, it needs to be something that you can hold overhead with one hand. If you don't have that, you're gonna use a lighter dumbbell, possibly a yoga block or body weight, all right? So lots of options here. We're gonna start in the fetal position. I'm gonna use my left hand. So my hand comes underneath, my knees are nice and lined with my hip. I take my right hand and bring it over top. From here, I'm gonna roll onto my back with that kettlebell. So roll it over, my elbow stays pinned on the ground. So if my left arm is pressing, my left knee is bent, my right leg gets extended, I press the bell up over my shoulder with two hands, my right arm comes down, and you want it parallel with your right leg. So from here, the first thing that happens is we press into our left leg, we roll onto our shoulder, and then we prop up onto our elbow. So it starts here, and comes up here. When you finish, the top portion, your elbow should be stacked underneath your wrist, not like this, all right? So nice tall posture, like you're in a side plank position. Then I take this hand, I push the floor away, slowly resisting with my abs and lowering back down. You'll do that again, roll, lift, on repeat, all right? What you wanna avoid doing is coming up into a sit-up. So you're not sitting straight up, you really wanna think about pushing onto that right shoulder. When you're done, two hands on the bell, you'll lower it back down, you'll roll back to where you started, and that's your Turkish Get Up.